Death and difference. Although the founders of the San Pedro Cemetery followed the dogmas of the Catholic Church, in a meeting of partners held on July 24, 1845, they proposed to allocate a place on the south side of the cemetery to bury the corpses of people of creeds other than Catholic, and with it to recognise other religious practices within the new cemetery. In 1899, the partners assigned a place in the northern part of the San Pedro Cemetery to start the construction of a new secular cemetery, intended to bury those who did not fit within the Catholic religious ideals prevailing at the time. This section was located where we are today, and it was used until the 1970s, when, as a result of the provisions of the Second Vatican Council, these spaces were removed from Catholic cemeteries. The people interred in this area were non-Catholic foreigners and religious dissidents, who had been buried in the old secular cemetery. We invite you to know their tombs and observe the space that was once destined for the excluded and marginalized in a strongly Catholic and conservative Antioquia society. Carlos Segismundo de Graef, a Swedish engineer who contributed to the technological development of mining and road construction in Colombia. Enrique Hausler, a German mechanic who had come to the country to build machinery for mines and bridges. Juan de Dios Uribe, the Indian, writer, pamphleteer, journalist, and anti-clerical liberal. And Maria Cano Marquez, social leader and defender of the working class and the rights of women in Colombia. Why do you think this differentiation between people existed? Is it different today? Reflect on values such as equality and tolerance. Continue your visit and move to the next station, merchants, businessmen, and industrialists, that you will find in the San Lorenzo Gallery, Mausoleum 1, corresponding to Alejandro Echavarria Isasa.